Stop! I'm gonna tell you 5 winning products that play with buyers' emotions that can possibly change your life. Alright, let's get into it. Before we jump into the video, I gotta remind you 2 things about these products. Is that first one is that these products will either play with buyers' emotions or solve a problem. If they're solving a problem, there's a very high chance they're playing with buyers' emotions. Alright, keep that in mind. Second thing, if you gain any knowledge out of these videos, please be sure to hit subscribe. It really does help me a lot, and I'm trying to get to the 1K subscriber count, and I'm almost there, you know? So help me out. Thank you. Let's get into it. Alright, so this first product will appeal to a lot of people who are really excited about shoes. Yes, shoe collectors. So this product is called a crease protector, which means that anytime you buy these expensive shoes, you can protect your shoes from getting creased, which means if you want to resell them, it has a really high resale value. You get to retain that value, right? So there we go. And how this connects to playing with buyers' emotions, I know so many people out there that are attached to these shoes, and they will pay expensive, like crazy amount of money for these shoes. So to longevate the life of these shoes, you can buy these crease protectors, and that will help you retain the value of your shoes by not creasing them. Alright, let me show you on the computer what this looks like. Alright guys, so here we have it, no crease protector. As you can see right over here, you can see the AliExpress link. So once we click that, it's gonna open these, and you can see the reviews and the amount of orders it's getting. You know this is a hot product. It's being sold like crazy because shoe collectors out there don't just have 1 or 2 shoes, they have 50 or 60. You know, that's a big number. So imagine people buying this in a big lot, right? So there you have it in terms of pricing. Now if we go on Amazon, you will see that it's being sold on Amazon as well, and it has 10,000 reviews. This is a proven product, it sells. So you already know this product is gonna do well. They're selling it for $9 and they're buying it for 40 cents. Keep that in mind. That's an amazing margin right there. Now, if you want to find a competitive product, they're selling it for $20, so even higher than Amazon. They have their own Shopify store, and they're selling it for $20. As you can see, they have done a pretty good job at explaining how this product works and showing the proof of like how this product is better than not having it at all. So yeah, you can, here you go, like here's the website as well, so you can check it out. The TikTok for it, so let me just show it to you right now. See? They do a pretty good job at explaining how it works, and you know, it's all about TikTok marketing now. So there you go. Alright, second one. These ones have been selling like crazy on Amazon, so I just really wanted to put it out there, and it heavily plays with buyers' emotions. It's called an anxiety ring, and I'm sure you've heard of it before, but every single dropshipper or seller that I talk to, they're like, whoa, it's too oversold, it's this and that. These are just excuses. You gotta try to find out if the product works or not, and personally, I've tried these anxiety rings and they make a killing. So I just want to let you know this product is making a killing. This video is all about winning products. So if you want to, you know, take action on these products, it's literally up to you. The fate is in your hands. Let's get on the computer again, and I'm going to show you all about this anxiety ring. All right, cool. All right, so the second product, anxiety ring. So for the anxiety rings, as you can see, I have everything right over here again. I'm using Bend Off Ads. That's the website I'm using, Bend Off Ads. So the Express ring, as I click that, it's gonna tell you exactly how much I can buy this for. Just in case you've never seen how these work, I'll show you right over here. You put them on, you can actually spin these rings. So it's supposed to like relieve stress and like help you with anxiety. So that's the whole idea. As you saw, they were being sold for $1 on AliExpress, and on Amazon they're being sold for $12. So still amazing high margins. And let's find a competitive Shopify store, sold for $24. So sorry, $31. So that wasn't $24 in USD. That's $31 Canadian. So you know that people out there are selling this, because otherwise, if they were not making money on this, they wouldn't have this on their website, right? It just doesn't make sense to. So you know that these people are making money. Guys, if you're really enjoying this video, remember, if I gave you any knowledge, be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. It really helps me a lot. All right, cool, thank you. All right, third product. I know a lot of people out there, you, especially you, have an Apple Watch. Don't lie to me, you're probably either wearing it or even worse, it's charging right now, because they always run out of batteries. Imagine you're on a trip, camping trip, and all of a sudden your Apple Watch dies and you're like, geez, I don't have a watch, and it's just a bracelet at this point, right? That's why I wear this watch. Check this out. All right, cool. Anyways, so this third product is a portable Apple Watch charger. If you ever look up, Apple makes a lot of their money from from their wrist watches. So you just know there's a market out there, and the third product is a portable Apple Watch charger. I'm gonna show you on the computer all the competition, how much you can buy for it, and all the details. So let's check that out. It looks really nice, like very appealing, because people who have an Apple Watch, other than this, I also have an Apple Watch, but I don't wear it because it dies so quickly, or it's just a hassle to charge it and wear it, So if I actually had this, I would be able to charge this to my computer, and then on the go I could charge my Apple Watch while I'm driving, or like when I'm working, I don't have a charger near me. So let's look on AliExpress how much it's being sold for. As you can see, it's being sold for $5. Good reviews, and the orders are crazy. Let's see on Amazon. On Amazon, they're selling it for very cheap. Wow, they're selling it for really cheap. I wonder why or how they're selling it for so cheap. They must have bought it. Yeah, they must have bought it in bulk. And let's see this Shopify store. All right, see the Shopify store selling for $25. You know they're making money because they're buying for $5 even after market and everything. Their website looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It has a flow to it. All right, fourth product. This is really targeted towards athletes and someone who likes to stay fit. And especially with how the world is going on, people still don't want to go to the gyms. People don't want to touch the weights that other people have touched. So this is a perfect indoor workout idea. I'm going to show you on the computer what it looks like. It's really hard to describe, but it's called BOXIN Jump Rope Pull. And it's really good for boxers and people who want to train at home instead of going to the gym. So let me show it to you. Alright, so this was the boxing rope thing I was talking about. As you can see, it looks very appealing for me. I don't even box, right? It looks very exciting. So if you go on AliExpress, it will show you exactly how much it's being sold for, $33. And if we go on Amazon, let's see if it's here, $37. So you gotta find it on Alibaba to be able to sell it. Competitive stores, it's being sold for $59. Alright, so this is what we want. Buy for $33, sell for $59. So at least you have 50% margins, and then you can include ads and costs for Shopify and everything. So there you have it for the fourth product. Last product, the fifth product, it's called the waterproof baby beach tent. Imagine you go away with your kids on a vacation and they want to spend time in the pool, but the sun is really hot. What are you gonna do? Apply sunscreen on them, but they're still gonna get burned. Don't lie to me, you know it. So in that case, this waterproof tent really comes in handy, and you can really make a good use out of it. So let me show you in the computers all the competition and all the buyers. All right, cool. Alright, so we have waterproof baby beach tent right over here. As you can see, it's being sold for $20 on AliExpress, and if you wanted to Shopify dropship it, it would be sold for $62. This person is selling the same item that they bought for $20 for $62, and you can do that too. Alright, so if you learned anything from this video, please subscribe. Love you guys. Hey guys, if you enjoyed my video, be like Johnny Depp and smash the like button. Smash it. Smash it.